Realme has released another budget wearable smartwatch that doesn't only feature heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, it even offers a body temperature tracker for sub Rm 200 ringgit. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong, welcome to Fastway episode 54. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is realme TechLife Watch S100. What a mouthful name. I shall call it S100 from now on. The S100 sports a large 1.69-inch LCD encaged in a metal body. It offers 500 nits peak brightness and 240 by 280 resolutions. It may not be the sharpest LCDs, but it can go very bright. There's no ambient light sensor, thus the brightness needs to be adjusted manually from the watch. The design is pretty simple, with the home buttons on the right, while at the bottom are the heart rate monitoring sensor, skin and body temperature sensor, and a magnetic charging pin. The silicone strap is interchangeable with a standard 20mm strap to match your OOTD. It also comes with over 110 face watches. It's IP68 water dust resistance and offers a long 12 days of battery life. Not too sure about the battery life claim, but I've been using it close to 3 days now. It only drops shy 20+%, which is pretty good. Overall, the S100 is very lightweight at just 34 grams and it fits comfortably on my wrist. The watch user interface is very clean and straightforward. Animations is very minimum, so the overall UIs are smooth and snappy. Swipe right for quick setting, swipe down for notifications, swipe up for menus, and swipe left is to access to tiles like today's steps, temperature monitorings, sleep records, heart rate monitorings, weathers, and music control. Coming to the sensor reading, it can provide the same or very close reading with standalone devices like oximeters and temperature readers. You can learn more about your health trackings like your heart rate recordings, blood oxygen records, sleep data, and body temperature through the Realme Fit app. The S100 offers 24 sport modes and allows you to set your goal. Although it doesn't have a built-in GPS, it will use your phone GPS to track your runnings, walkings, and cycling. Overall, the realme TechLife Watch S100 is a feature-packed wearable that you can get for sub Rm 200s. It has a large and bright color touch displays. The build is surprisingly good and offers great battery life in this price range. For more information and where to buy, you can check the link in the description box below. Thank you Realme for sending this over to make this review possible. That's all from me on the realme TechLife Watch S100. You know the drills. Any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.